the length of the program itself, students will take a set of core courses for approximately 5 months, and then transition to a period of practicum before meeting all requirements to graduate. The schedules, typically class time, live classes, look like weekend contact. So Saturdays and Sundays typically for 4-hour classes from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. In Alberta time. And we connect once during the week as well on a Wednesday evening, typically for 1 hour as well, midweek, just to touch base. And courses themselves range from being 1 week in duration to 2 weeks in duration, with the vast majority of them being 2 weeks. And some being 1 week. And just to give a flavor of some of the topics and the subject matter of some of the courses, students can expect for us to cover things like basic counseling skills, group facilitation. We'll talk about ethics and legislation, talk about how to work with vulnerable populations, individuals who are particularly vulnerable in society and in the community. And we will cover subjects like particular modalities in the counseling field, approaches to treatment within addiction and mental health nowadays. Students will learn about the history of those areas as well. And also there'll be a course built around which centers on Indigenous studies also.